Today we're going to be showing you how to use the Camp Chef 30-core outdoor cooker. This outdoor cooker does come with this larger pot and then this fry pot as well. And today specifically we're going to be using this smaller pot to do some fries. However, you could do anything from French fries even to a large turkey in this pot. But again, we're just going to focus on the fries for today. So the first thing you'll want to do to get started is go ahead and connect your propane. They do come with these hose and regulators. Okay, and once that's connected, you'll want to turn the propane tank on. Typically, we only like to turn these on about 3/4 of a full turn, so we'll go ahead and do that. Then once that's on, you'll want to use your gas regulation knob to turn on the gas to go to the unit. So once you have your propane connected, what you'll want to do is turn on this timer. This timer lasts for 15 minutes at a time. And so once your timer's set, the next thing you want to do is hold down this safety valve here to ignite it. And to ignite it, you're going to press this red button. And now it is ignited. And then to make your flame go higher or lower, you'll use this red valve again to let more gas in and out. For the fries, we're going to start by filling this with oil. Today we're using peanut oil specifically. Now we have the oil in the pot, but one important thing to know is you never want to start with an empty pot because it could potentially melt through your pot if there's nothing in it. But we're going to go ahead and ignite this just to get it started. Now that our oil's gotten to 325 degrees, we're going to go ahead and put our fries here in the basket. Looks like these are done, so we'll go ahead and shake the oil out of them a little bit and then we'll go put them on a plate. Hopefully these tips help you to use your outdoor cooker for the first time. One thing to remember is that they aren't intimidating, they're super easy to use, but make sure to always be safe when you're cooking with oil. And if you have any questions, go to campchef.com.